Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and fund a Phantom wallet. Now Phantom is the leading wallet for the Solana ecosystem. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get started using your Phantom wallet. Okay, now with that said, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you can head over to Google and just type in Phantom wallet. Okay. You're going to see this page. You can just pick the first one, okay, and you can download it for Chrome. Now, just so you're aware, Phantom Wallet works on any other browser. It works on all the leading browsers such as Edge, on Apple. But for this tutorial, we're going to be using Chrome, okay, but it works the same on any other browser. Okay, so I'm just going to click on download for Chrome. Right, and then I'm just going to say add to Chrome, and then I'm going to say add extension. And that's it, right? So now it has been added to my extensions. You can see it. So now all we need to do is to set it up. Okay, now we need to set up Phantom. Now, first thing you want to do is, do you want to create a new wallet, or you want to import an already existing wallet? Okay, so if you have an existing Phantom wallet, you can click this option here, this second option. Let me get my pointer. You can click this option here. I already have a wallet, and then you can import it. Okay, but for this tutorial, we're gonna go and create a new wallet. Right, so I'm gonna click create a new wallet, and then it's gonna say continue with email or create a seed phrase. You want to pick the second option, right? You want the second option here. And then you want to give it a password. Now, this password you're creating is for this local device, for your local device. Okay, so if you were on a different device, on a different computer, or maybe on your phone, it wouldn't use the same password. Okay, this password is only for this device. Okay, so we're just going to give it a password. Make sure you give it something complex, right? You can see my one, it says it's medium, which is fine. This is just for tutorial purposes anyways. And then we're just going to click on continue. Now, it's going to give you this words, right? It's going to give you this 12 words. These are your recovery phrase. This is your recovery phrase, and you really should not let anyone see it, okay? Now, I'm letting you see it because I just want you to see what it looks like, and it's for this tutorial. I'm not going to be using this wallet to trade or to save any of my Solanas, okay? So, but you don't want anyone to see it. So what you want to do is you want to quickly write this down. You want to write it down. Make sure you write it down on a piece of paper. Don't save it on your computer or don't save it digitally. You want to make sure you've written it down somewhere on a piece of paper, okay? Because this is going to be how you access your wallet if it gets missing or you want to import it to another device, okay? So please do make sure to keep this seed phrase safe, okay? So I'm just going to say, it's asking me to write it down, so I'm going to do that, and I'm just going to say I saved my recovery phrase, and I'm just going to click continue. Okay, so get started. And with that, right, we have our new Phantom wallet ready to go. Okay, so just log in, and we can see we now have a Phantom, right? If you want to find your Phantom wallet, all you need to do is go to your extensions, and you should see Phantom there. Now, if you want to fund it, if you want to get some money into your Phantom wallet, the good news is Phantom has options. It has different options available for you to fund your Phantom wallet from within the app. Okay, so to do that, all you need to do is head over to buy here, right? Click on buy. Click on buy, and it should give you some options. Give it a minute. Solana. We say buy. There you go. Buy, right? So it's going to ask you, so what do you want to buy? Do you want to buy Solana or USDC? We want to buy Solana. Okay. And that's your wallet address there. That's your account, which that's mine in this instance, but you're going to have yours there that ends with a different number. Okay. And then over here, it's going to say how much words do you want to buy? So I'm just going to write 50. Okay. Or you can even tap it here, right? You can tap this predefined values here. I'm going to go 50. Okay. And then this is where you have different choices depending on where you are in the world. So you'll have different options that you can use to buy your Solana. Okay. So there's SEPA instant, SEPA 3 to 5 days. There's I'm in the UK, so I can do bank transfer, right? You can do PayPal, you can do Google Pay, you can pay with a direct or credit card, and you can pay with Apple Pay, you can pay with UK faster payments, and you can do Moon Pay as well, right? So you would pick one of the options and then just follow the instructions to make payment. And once you've done that, you should now see that your balance in your wallet should say £50. Okay. So now that is how you create a Solana wallet. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching. See you in the next video.